Hello everyone. In the last class, we discussed some problems on circle of the given triangle or some conditions. Now today we are going to discuss tangent to the circle, equation of the tangent, length of the tangent. Now first see what is the definition of the tangent to the circle. Now as we know, circle in the xy plane, this is x-axis, y-axis, origin. Now this is a circle in the xy plane. Let P is a point on the circle. Now consider one more point Q, which is nearer to the P. Draw a line joining these 2 points. This is a PQ line is called secant line. PQ line is called secant line. Now when this Q is approaches to P, when Q is approaches to P, the limiting position of Q to P will become a line touches at this point, that is, see in this diagram, x-axis, y-axis, circle. Now P will be a constant position. Now Q is initially here. Now when it is moved to here and moved to here in this direction, continuously moving, and it is reaches to Q. It is reaches to Q. That is, initially the line is here and it is approaches to Q in this direction. This is called limiting position of Q to P. Limiting position of Q to P, and finally the Q will be reaches to P. Here it is P and Q is also reaches to P. Then this line will be, this PQ line will touches the circle at one point. This a line touching the circle at one point is called tangent to the circle. A line touches the circle at one point is called a tangent to the circle. So therefore here it is P. This is the tangent to the circle. Tangent to the circle. Now after knowing tangent to the circle, what will be the length of the circle and equation of the tangent to the circle? Here let S is equal to 0 be the given circle, and P of x1 comma y1 be a point on the circle. Now the equation, therefore the equation of circle at P of x1 comma y1 to the circle S is equal to 0 is S1 equal to 0. Already in the last class we discussed what is the S1. S1 is nothing but x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Now when you substitute x1 is equal to given point, y1 is equal to given point, we'll get equation of the tangent at P of x1 comma y1. Now here we got equation of the tangent. This is equation of the tangent. Now we'll see what will be the length of the tangent. Here to find the length of the tangent, Now in this diagram, this is a point on the circle P of on the circle. The point is x1 comma y1, and take one more point which is exterior to the circle. Let it be some Q R. Take another point R of x2 comma y2, and this point R is exterior to the circle. Now the distance from this point R to P is called length of the tangent. The distance from R to P, the distance R to P is called, this distance is called length of the tangent. So here we got 3 points. One is how we can know the tangent to the circle. Tangent is nothing but it is touches the a line which touches the circle at one point. A line which touches the circle at one point. If it touches 2 points, that is a line passing through the 2 points is nothing but secant line, and this point is moving towards the P in this direction, that is the limiting position of Q to P will become a tangent to the circle. Now this is a tangent to the circle at the point P of x1 comma y1. Now at this point, to find equation of the tangent to this circle is s is equal to 0, and this is a point where the tangent will be s1 equal to 0. Now what is the length? Length is nothing but if you take any point which is outside, that is exterior to the circle, let it be R of x2 comma y2. To know the length, it is a distance from this point to where the tangent touching the circle, that is P. This distance is called length of the tangent. Now to find length of the tangent, just we have to apply the distance between 2 points formula. This is regarding tangent, length and equation.